Alright, my hair is a mess, my room's a mess, but who cares? Let's just get into it. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Santi again, and welcome to another weekly episode of Gender Swap's YouTube channel. I'm going to be bringing you weekly queer style tips, along with other fashion, wellness, skincare tips. Of course, if there's anything that you want to see specifically, then please comment down below or send me a message on socials and I'd be happy to cover it. It's super sunny out, you know, weather is changing, spring is coming, and with that, our wardrobes are definitely changing. Lockdown is slowly starting to ease, and we're starting to be able to go out and mingle and, you know, go to public spaces again and have a meal. And I guess with that said, it means that we now have to think about what we're gonna wear. I don't know about you, but for the past year and a half, I've been wearing a lot of black t-shirts and Adidas track pants, and that's about it. But I'm going through my wardrobe at the moment and looking at what I want to wear and getting back into my fluid gender expression and really cool androgynous outfits that I haven't been able to wear, and I've been really excited about it. So I thought a really good topic to get into today is adding color into your wardrobe, and I specifically wanted to focus on clothes for transmasculine people. A lot of the queer style tips that are out there are all relatively the same. Some sort of oversized jacket or blazer, chinos, brogues, button-ups is a big one, or oversized sweaters and hoodies. Those are all things I've definitely recommended and I've made videos about or tutorials about, but I thought that I'd bring you some different ways that you can style your wardrobe that brings color back in, and hopefully gives you even some buzzwords for when you're searching online on DePop, on Facebook, on eBay, wherever you shop for clothes. Maybe you can check out these clothing items if there's something that you haven't worn before that you actually want to try out. So I'm actually going to start off with shoes because I feel like not enough people actually talk about shoes, and I'm going to bring you something that is a little bit controversial in terms of what you can wear as shoes. But if you want to add some color into your wardrobe, I highly suggest some Crocs. You won't believe it, I'm going to do a whole segment on this, but I find a lot of clothes out on the street, and I actually found these last week and I've been wearing them non-stop. And I've been looking on Depop for accessories to put onto the Crocs, into the holes. Yeah, I think that they're a really cool clothing item. I think they would look really good with a pair of patterned socks and some cropped jeans or cords. I highly recommend if you're looking to kind of shake up your wardrobe and try something else. What's wrong with Crocs? Alright, so Doc Martens is obviously a queer style staple, but there's some really cool ones that you can find in really bright colors. I highly recommend for all you transmasculine folks out there who want to kind of push the boundaries in terms of challenging the binary when it comes to dress. I challenge yourself to add more pink into your wardrobe. I feel like the color pink is highly underrated, and I think it could be super masculine depending on how you pair it, or it could just be a really cool gender bendy color to work with. You can find tons of docs on Depop for a really good price. These are super shiny, I love them, and they go with basically anything, even joggers or sweatpants. Cool, so now I am going to throw on some clothes for you. My computer at the moment is super old, so I can't do all that fancy editing, so I'm going to try my best to showcase to you some of the outfits or some of the clothing items that I suggest you throw into your wardrobe for spring. Let me show you what's next about this. But if you want to start off real small and you don't know where to begin in terms of adding color into your wardrobe, I highly suggest just an accessory. So something like this satchel bag is different than a bum bag or a fanny pack. You can just put your card and your ID, your money, and your mask in the back pocket, and you could add even a little fun accessory to go along with it, and you can wear it with a full black outfit. I don't know if any of you clocked it, but I am wearing some colored bracelets today. Those are good words to hold on to. And you could pair it just with a black t-shirt, so it just adds something, right? If you just want to start off small and you're not used to wearing tons of color, these are really good options. Next recommendation is a Hawaiian shirt, but this is not your standard Hawaiian shirt. This is not your basic printed button-up that most people recommend for transmasculine folks. This is actually a cropped Hawaiian shirt, and I know that it's in a light color and it can be difficult to wear, but I'm wearing a binder right now. You can't really see it through the shirt. I mean, even if you can, I think that it's a look in itself. I think that it could be paired really cool with a pair of sports trackies, which I'm wearing, or you could even wear a pair of really baggy pants or trousers and then throw like a big oversized jacket over top. I think that a crop top as a transmasculine person is super empowering, so go get yourself one. I just paired a leather jacket so you can see how it looks together. So I think that's a pretty cool look. What do you all think? Comment down below. I feel like a lot of people talk about retro sports jackets, track jackets, bomber jackets, leather jackets, oversized sort of grandpa jackets, but I think that a moto jacket or motocross jacket is a really cool alternative. You can get them in all tons of bright colors. Fox is the most popular name brand. I find that they sit at a really good length. I got this jacket on DePop and it was only 10 pounds. So I highly recommend secondhand shopping and swapping. I mean, my entire ethos around clothes is to swap, thrift, upcycle if you can, and I'll be showing you more on how to do that. But definitely check out DePop because there's tons of cool sales on there. You could definitely pair it with a hoodie or something underneath. You could just keep it open, and it's just a really cool alternative. You could wear it with even some dressier slacks if you want, or a waistcoat underneath, even with a oversized sweater underneath. There's so many options. All right, and we've got utility vests. Utility vests are so fun. This is a really cool Raver's vest that I picked up from a charity shop. I think it was 8 pounds. It is my favorite ever. You can find utility vests in really neat colors with different pockets and different styles. It's oversized, so it hides everything that you don't want to show. You can get them at various lengths, and of course they're big enough that you can layer underneath as well. So this is a really fun way to add in color into your wardrobe in the spring if you're looking for lighter layers on top. Statement pieces for trousers. These are a pair of color patchwork track suit bottoms, or parachute pants if you want to call them that. And these were thrifted as well. They're super lightweight. They look really good paired with a bunch of oversized shirts and, you know, black layers on top with a pair of sneakers. If you're looking for an alternative to jeans or slacks or even joggers, these would be really cool as well. And I'll show you what they look like. All right, everyone, that's everything from me today. I hope that you learned something. I hope that if you're a transmasculine person or a GNC person out there that's looking to push the binary or break those gender norms when it comes to style, I hope that these few spring queer style tips have helped you. If you want to learn more, I've actually just posted a TikTok with more tips on this.
If we happen to be ends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride of babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of babe.
And you can follow GenderSwap on TikTok at GenderSwap_, or you can also follow me on socials as well at Santi Baby, which I'll put down here for you. And again, if you've got any themes or any topics or anything that you want me to cover on this channel, please comment down below. And as always, head to genderswap.org to learn more about the events and initiatives that we are bringing you in the coming months. And remember, have fun with your clothes because clothes have no gender. Take care, everyone.